Little storyteller.
Nibbles the hamster was a tiny artist, with very busy paws. He had soft brown fur and bright, curious eyes. His home was a cozy cage filled with fluffy bedding and sunflower seeds. His favorite, but Nibbles loved seeds for more than just eating. He saw them as tiny treasures, perfect for making art. He carefully chose seeds of all colors: sunny yellow sunflower seeds, deep brown pumpkin seeds, and even little green lentils. Nibbles decided to build a special place to show his seed art. He found some empty cardboard tubes his human had left. With tiny nibbles and pushes, he arranged them into a little gallery. It had walls and even little doorways, perfect for his small friends. Inside his gallery, Nibbles carefully arranged his seed art. He made a picture of a bright yellow sun, using sunflower seeds. He created a flower with brown pumpkin seed petals and a green lentil stem. Each tiny seed was placed just so, making beautiful mosaic patterns. Soon, Nibbles' friends came to visit his gallery. There was Pip, the fluffy white bunny, with long twitching ears, and Squeaky the little gray mouse, with a very long tail. They peeked into the cardboard tube gallery, their eyes wide with wonder. "Wow, Nibbles!" squeaked Squeaky, his whiskers twitching excitedly. "Your seed pictures are so beautiful." Pip the bunny wiggled his nose in agreement. "I love the shiny yellow sun." Nibbles felt a happy flutter in his chest. He was so glad his friends liked his art. Nibbles smiled. "Thank you, it's fun to make art with seeds. Maybe you can try making art too." Pip and Squeaky looked at each other thoughtfully. They had never thought of seeds as something to make art with. The next day, Pip gathered soft pieces of moss and colorful flower petals. Squeaky collected shiny pebbles and smooth bits of bark. They joined Nibbles in his gallery, and together they created new artworks. Pip made a beautiful green carpet of moss. Squeaky arranged his pebbles in a sparkling pattern, and Nibbles made more wonderful seed mosaics. They learned that everyone can be an artist, using whatever treasures they find. And it's even more fun when you create together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.